Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So today I'll be showing you guys how I style my daughter's hair in this crochet mohawk. Okay, we're starting off with 3 sections, and before you style your hair, make sure you moisturize. Okay, so we have 3 sections. This style is very easy to achieve, so I'm not going to talk the whole time. I do have a video that's similar to this, but it was more of an updo and not a mohawk. Okay, so we're just going to split the side section in 2, and then I'm just going to do some basic cornrows going at an angle. So I'm going to go ahead and finish that up, and I'll show you guys what I'm doing, and then we can move on to the next step. Okay, now that her hair is completed and braided up on both sides, we're going to work on the middle section. With the middle section, I'm just going to break it down into 3 simple cornrows. That's it. You're just going to braid the hair going straight back in 3 braids. I just wanted to pop in and give you guys the tip when it comes to crocheting. Do not loop the hair around the entire braid. It is too big. It will look bulky. It will not look right. But instead, crochet through the braid. That way it can look more natural. I just do basic crocheting to complete this style, and I do double knot. That's just my personal preference, but you can choose to do what you like. And here you have it, you guys, the crochet mohawk. My daughter looks so beautiful for her first day of middle school. I was so proud. If you like this video, if you like this hairstyle, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or any comments, don't hesitate to drop them down below. As always, I thank you guys for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Peace.